Hey, my new recording room is coming together. Let me show you a quick update of it in this video. Hey, Mike Adams here with Learn Audacity. You remember a while back I gave you a quick tour of what I called the stick house recording room. We're having a house built, and at that point it was pretty much just sticks is kind of what it looked like. And so I gave you a quick tour of my recording studio or my recording room back then. And here's kind of what it looked like. I gave you this video here. We sort of looked around real quick and just got a feel for the room. There's nothing there yet. There was no external siding on the house yet, even at that point. But we looked together at the recording room that is going to be, and we kind of left it there. Well, I've got an update for you. Now the house looks like this. There's siding on it at least. It's getting there. It's getting more and more complete as time goes on. But we were able to go in and insulate the recording room. And in insulating the recording room, I chose to use Rockwool SAFE'n'SOUND insulation. This is an insulation that doesn't really have an R value because these aren't external walls. These are internal walls. But they're also a good sound barrier for setting up a recording room. It's not soundproof, but it's going to make a big difference in outside sounds getting into my room while I'm recording. So by using this Rockwool SAFE'n'SOUND in conjunction with the sound treatments that I'm going to put on the wall when it's finished, I think I'm going to have a pretty good space here for recording, better than I had previously, that's for sure. Here's a more recent look at what we did, and this tour here kind of starts in the same place as the last one. I'm going to press play here, and you can see that we come in the front door here, and we're kind of looking around. This is a laundry room right there. But you'll see that there's Rockwool insulation now. This is a look out toward the garage. Sorry, I was looking at the floor a lot. I'm not sure what was going on with that. But there's a look at the Rockwool insulation that's been put up. This doesn't have a face on it to staple anything in. It just kind of sits in between the studs. And so we put the plastic up to keep the insulation in place. This is the external wall. This is actually a bathroom right here, but that's the wall into the walk-in closet. And then if we walk into the room right here, you can see that we've got Rockwool SAFE'n'SOUND insulation on these walls. It's ready to be drywalled. It's ready to go. This walk-in, or not walk-in, but this closet I wish it was a walk-in closet, but this closet in the room is going to be my sound booth where I'm going to be recording ACX audiobooks. I will be in there exclusively to do that. And any curtain rod that they put in there, I'll be taking out because I need a lot of room. The external walls aren't insulated yet. The ceiling is not in or insulated yet, but that's going to happen anytime, I'm sure. But there's a look at the wall, the finished wall. As we kind of move around the room here, you can see that everything's in place. All the insulation is in. And I can tell you that even in this construction phase right here where nothing's finished, the sound is incredible. When I walk into that room now, there's a real dampening of echo. And like I said, the ceiling's not in. The exterior insulation isn't in yet. But I just think this is going to be a really good room to have dedicated for recording. I'll be doing my podcasting and my videos out in the large area. And I'll be using, like I said, I'll be using that closet for audiobook production. I'll have it completely sound treated as well on the inside. So that's a quick tour of my recording room that's coming along. Hopefully we'll be into the house before too long, sometime during the winter of 2023, I believe. So I'll leave you with that riveting video, that memory to have of the recording room and what's going on with me with it. So until next time, y'all take care. See ya.